Winter without cauliflower? No way. So here is the recipe.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So literally this is my kitchen. Everybody wants to know how is my kitchen. So this is the kitchen, a small cozy one, and this is what you can see. This is cauliflower. So I'm going to prepare a Nepali recipe that is Alu Kauli, and this is the cauliflower I am going to show you. I bought this from Darjeeling. By the way, I'm back from Darjeeling tour. The tour is over and I'm tired enough, and after a few days I wanted to cook something for myself. So what I planned that I will prepare some Nepali cuisine. As I said, the name is Alu Kauli. In the hotel I always stay, that is Hotel Revolver in Darjeeling. Every year since 2021 I'm going there, and I'm staying every year in that place, and I try the Nepali Yahuko thali. So in that thali, last year also I got this full gobi, and tasting that I thought to prepare this simple recipe of Alu Kauli. The recipe can be different from, it depends on the family to family, cook to cook, and according to the tradition. So whatever I have over there, I cannot cook like them 100% because that is the credit of the cook, but I can prepare something more similarly like that. So I'm going to prepare the recipe of Alu Kauli, and I'm going to share with you everybody. So you are Bengali or Nepali, whoever you are, I think you are going to enjoy this recipe. So I am preparing this recipe with this Nepali from the cauliflower from Darjeeling, but you can try from wherever you are staying. Just in the comment box you can tell me that where are you from. You're from India, you're from abroad, or wherever you are from. So where you are buying the cauliflower, you just tell me about that. And so I'm going to prepare all the recipe. I'm going to share everything. It's a very quick recipe. So I'm going to wash and clean and cut this cauli or cauliflower. Meanwhile, you just go through the video that how did I do the shopping of this full coffee. So just go through it.
This is the glance of Darjeeling veg market.
और हाँ जी, ये चाहिए, ये वाला छोटा सा, हाँ, और वो ऐसा जो गुलाबी जैसा होता है वो वाला नहीं है, ये वाला और दूसरा वाला जो होता है। मूली तो नहीं, कैप्सिकम नहीं, ये तो चाहिए। So already you have seen how did I buy the veggies, and what are the ingredients I am using. Let me show you. So this is mustard oil. Most of the recipes, Nepali cuisines, they are cooking in mustard oil. So I have fresh green peas. This is not from Darjeeling, this is from Kolkata, and this is coriander powder, dhania powder, and this is cumin or jeera powder. The ingredients and measurement I will mention this in the description box. And this is the chopped garlic. Garlic I bought from Darjeeling, that is the fat garlic, mota mota. And this is Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use normal red chili powder. And this is salt and turmeric. These are the tomatoes from Kolkata, and cilantro or dhania. You can use either. I'm using the dhania that is from Darjeeling. So let's start with the cooking. So I'll heat the kadai, and then I will add the mustard oil. So the cooking is start. I will heat the mustard oil at first. The oil is hot enough. So right now I will add the minced garlic. So just adding the minced garlic, and then I will add the chopped potato, which I forgot to show you. So this is how you have to cut the potatoes for this Alu Kauli. The cut is really important. So I'm adding this potatoes at first. Here you go. All the potatoes are here. Just a simple stir, and then in a medium heat I will cover it and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now let me check the potatoes are a little bit done or not. So have to check it carefully. Yes, it is bit done, and at this point of time I will add the cauliflowers. So this is how I cut the cauliflowers. I am adding this. So this is how I have to cut it. Here, and little bit of this leafy portion, which we call dati in Bengali. So I am adding this cauliflower. And I will add this turmeric and salt as well, and little bit of water. Now I will give it a stir. So I will stir it, and now I will cover it for a couple of minutes in medium-low flame. And now let me check if it's done or not. So I can see, yes, these are little bit soft. Now I will add the spices. First the coriander powder, and then the cumin powder, and red chili powder as well. Now I will add some water so that the spices won't burn and it will cook properly. And I have to give a stir so that the spices will mix up well. This is a very easy recipe, and at the same time this is really very tasty, as I have tasted. Now when you will try this recipe, you will get the taste of Nepali cuisine as well. So from anywhere in India or abroad, you can try this recipe. And now I will add some more water. It won't be soggy, but it will be you can say bhaji kind of sabji, a side dish which can be enjoyed with rice or roti. I had there with rice, so let me add some more water. And now I will add the tomato or tomatoes, green peas. If you don't have normal green pea, you can use the frozen one as well, but it's already winter. The fresh veggies are in the market. That's why I'm using the fresh veggies in this recipe. So now I will cover it, and I will let it cook for a couple of minutes, and I'll come back then. And now I will check if the Alu Kauli is done or not. So it's almost done. I think it's softened enough. Let me check. Yes, it is. So in a high flame I will cook this for a couple of minutes. So this water will be evaporated and the spices will be mixed up properly with this aloo and kauli. So just you have to wait a couple of minutes. Now you can see it's already dried up. The water is evaporated almost. It will be prepared. It will be prepared very soon. So there is a question. I have a friend who is no onion, no garlic. She is a vegetarian and she never have this onion and garlic. So she was that is the question for her, that can she prepare this? Yes, she can prepare this without the garlic. No issues. The taste will differ a bit, not much, a bit. So if you don't want to eat the garlic, don't add the garlic. That's it. So you can have that also. So I'm going to serve this with rice as I had it in the hotel. I'll show you how did I how will I serve actually. So the Nepali kauli is ready. it's already dried up. Now I don't have to cook much. It will be mushy then, and I have to stop the cooking over here. So thank you for watching my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and you showed me so many love for so many years. I think you will enjoy different kind of recipes, right? So it can be Indian, it can be Korean, it can be Chinese or anything. So Bengali, Nepali, I am trying to prepare different kind of simple cuisine, home-based cuisine. So switch off the gas right now. So what you can do, you can go through my channel, Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and then you can give me food order from Google Madhurima's Kitchen or Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen. You can follow Madhurima's Kitchen in Instagram. Actually, Madhurima's Kitchen is the lifestyle channel. Now I will end up with finishing. The garnish will be with some fresh coriander leaf. That will be very yummy. So where I am, you know, already MaddyBee is very famous. People are crazy about the candles and home decors. So you can follow MaddyBee in Instagram, Google and Facebook page as well. And just follow this recipe and have this in winter. It will be great, you know. So I'm going to leave it for the standing time and I will serve it. So thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribe. Really, it was a great experience going to Darjeeling again and again, and when I'm coming back with a recipe from Hill. So hope you also enjoy the recipe. So right now I'm just going to serve it. I cannot wait it.
Plain rice, cucumber salad, cucumber, tomato, and then onion and some sprinkle of coriander leaf, salt. So that is the salad. This is really awesome with this Alu Kauli. Just try it and let me know.